5 super secrets to boost your self-esteem and expand your self-confidence. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we are always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Want to remind you to claim your 7 days absolutely free on miraclehypnosisonline.com. We're adding new content every day. And look, there's something there for you. I believe it. That's going to empower your life. I don't care how hard you try to master manifestation with your conscious mind. You need your subconscious mind working in harmony with you. miraclehypnosisonline.com. Try the free trial for 7 days, absolutely free. High flyers. I think it's important that if you are having issues with low confidence and self-esteem issues, that at some point you go back and find out where this low self-esteem began. Where did it start? How did it start? And most of the time, you will find out it began in childhood. Now, I believe that you and I were born perfect. I know a lot of people don't believe that, but I believe that. We were born perfect. We were born completely connected to spirit. We were born completely connected to higher source energy. But over the years, as our ego developed and as we got older, we kind of moved away from that connection. We lost that connection. And then people started telling us what we were no good at. I remember, this is crazy, but I remember that I would sit at the dinner table with my father, and he would say, Robert's a big bread eater. He loves eating bread. Jimmy, on the other hand, he's a salad eater. He loves eating salad. Do you know, high flyers, it took me 50 years to start to love salad, because that's all I heard was that my brother loves salad, but I wasn't much of a salad eater. Today, I love salad. I may not like it as much as my brother, but I do like salad. You see, you have to go back to those early childhood conversations. You're not as fast. You're not as tall. Look at, you don't even want to try that. Those kids are way too big for you. You won't survive. And then some of us have had abusive parents who really pounded down on our limitations. One of the secrets that I have found is to go back in time, to literally go back to that moment when I was being told a limiting belief. And I see myself there, and I see my grandma, and I see her telling me a limiting belief about money. You know, you have to work hard for money. You're never going to have a lot of money. Our family's poor. We're always going to be poor. So we have to save our money and work hard for money. That kind of stuff. And I hear her telling this little 5-year-old or 7-year-old or even 10-year-old child. And then I step in and I say, no, Grandma, that's not true. You believe it's true because that's your experience. But why would you place your experience on this little boy? Why would you place your limiting belief experiences on this little boy? He's on his own journey. He's on his own path. And as I begin to stand up for myself as a child, speaking to my grandmother in a loving way, by the way, and I let her know what I'm doing and how well I'm doing, all of a sudden I notice her, Rachel, this is the truth. I notice her beliefs beginning to change in here, in my vision. And my beliefs in the past begin to change. And all of a sudden, it's like somebody turned on the lights. My self-esteem goes up. My confidence goes up. I open up my eyes. I get dressed. I'm ready. I've done my meditation, but I've done more than a meditation. I've alchemically transformed myself. And you can do that. And you can do that starting today. High flyers, I believe that fear of success is a stronger fear with many people than fear of failure. Look at many of us, we don't fear failure. Why? Because we're comfortable with failure. Our friends are failures. Our family are failures. And I don't mean failures in the sense as human beings, by the way. So don't take this wrong, but failures in the sense that they didn't go for it, that they didn't achieve their highest expectation of what they believed they were worth. So we sit around now in Colorado, Arizona, Washington, Oregon, a number of states. You can just light up the gun and you just round the corners and you don't have to worry about your failure. You see, it's okay. I can live with the failure. I got TV. I got something to drink. I got something to smoke. I'm cool. It's all cool, dude. It's all cool. But you and I are different. We're not going to anesthetize ourselves and get comfortable to failure. We're going to choose success and achievement and doing great things with our life and fulfilling our journey. That's who you and I are. So you want to ask yourself, am I really more comfortable with failure? And if you are, you need to make yourself uncomfortable. I mean, you need to make yourself and everything around you uncomfortable with you being a failure. Your home, your friends, you're not going to go out and party with your friends or hang out and just, with your friends, because you're not going to allow that anesthetizing to erase that discomfort. That discomfort is good. Say it. The discomfort is good because it's going to motivate you to feel more confident, to feel more certain, to feel more empowered, and to take more inspired action in the direction of your dreams and goals. So number one, high flyers, is the answer to feeling unworthy is always within you. And it's always in a statement. I am worthy. I am worthy. I am worthy. I am deserving. Oh, I love that. Don't you just love that one, Rachel? I am deserving. Say it. Say it right now. I am worthy. I am deserving. Number two, you are uncomparable. Whatever you are, whoever you are, whatever you're doing, you cannot be compared. Stop looking in the mirror and saying, well, I just don't compare with this person. You can't be compared. You are uncomparable. Number three, embrace your fears. Embrace them and challenge your limiting beliefs. Challenge. When my 3-year-old, when I give him something to do, like we have a balance beam. It's not that tall. It's only like a foot off the ground. But he might say, Well, I'm scared to stand on the balance beam, to be, like this, right? And I will immediately tell him, no, honey, you're brave. You're brave. Being brave, being confident doesn't mean that you don't have that nervousness. It means you don't allow it to destroy or overcome your destiny. So talk to yourself in positive ways. Get rid of those negative beliefs and choose to embrace positive beliefs about who and what you are. Number 4, high flyers, is what if. What if the bridge collapses? What if the sky falls? What if it rains? What if I'm not good enough? What if she doesn't like me? What if it doesn't work out? So you're going to replace all those with, what if it does work out? What if the bridge is strong enough? What if the sky doesn't fall and it's a beautiful sunny day? You see, every negative what if can be replaced with a positive what if. And finally, take a deep breath with me. Say these words: I am living my own journey. You're not living Robert's journey. You're not living your next door neighbor's journey. You're living your own journey. I am living my own journey. Remind yourself of that when other people disagree with you, when other people say, no, we ought to do it this way, you're doing it the wrong way. Remind them, this is my journey. I'll live it my way. Hey, here's some other videos to help you on your journey, and be certain to subscribe. Don't forget, before you leave, click that bell icon.